Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PyCharm Professional settings for Django development, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open PyCharm Professional on your computer. Create a new project by selecting New Project from the welcome screen. Choose Django from the list of project types. Set the location for your new project directory. Ensure that the new environment using option is selected for Python interpreter. Select the desired version of Python that is compatible with Django. Click Create to set up your new Django project. Once the project initializes, locate the Settings option in the File menu. Navigate to Project, your project name, and then select Python Interpreter. In the Python Interpreter settings, click the gear icon and choose Add. Select Virtual Environment and configure the environment name and location. Ensure that the base interpreter selected is the one you installed earlier. After configuring, click OK to create the virtual environment. Next, go to the Settings menu again and select Languages and Frameworks. Expand the Django settings section and check the box to enable Django support. Enter the path to your Django project's manage.py file in the provided field. Set the Django settings module, which usually follows the structure of your _project_name, .settings. Under the run/debug configurations menu, create a new configuration for your Django server. Select Django server from the list of configuration types. Provide a name for your configuration and ensure the host is set to 127.0.0.1. Set the port to click Apply and then OK to save your configuration. To verify the setup, open your project's terminal. In the terminal, type python manage.py run server and hit enter. It should display a message indicating the server is running successfully. Close the terminal and return to the main PyCharm window. Explore the project view to see the structure of your Django application. Review your code in the editor and ensure syntax highlighting is enabled. Access the View menu and select Tool Windows to enable the database and terminal windows. For version control, configure Git by navigating back to the Settings menu. Select Version Control and then add your project directory. At this point, you are ready to begin development with Django in PyCharm Professional. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.